Today, I'm going to teach you how to share editable draw.io diagrams with people outside of Confluence. This is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate on diagrams with external team members, clients, or anyone who doesn't have access to your Confluence workspace. First, go to draw.com and click the Start button. This will launch the draw.io application in your browser. The platform will direct you to another tab where you can start creating and editing your diagram from scratch or work with an existing one. Take your time here to ensure your diagram is exactly how you want it before sharing. Once your diagram is ready, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, click on Export As and then select URL. This option is key because it generates a shareable link that allows others to interact with your diagram without needing Confluence access. Now you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several sharing options. You can select from Make a Copy, Authorization Required, and Public URL of Diagram. Each of these options controls how people will interact with your diagram. If you want recipients to be able to edit their own version without affecting your original, choose Make a Copy. If you need to restrict access to specific people, select Authorization Required. For the widest accessibility, choose Public URL of Diagram. Next, under Links, you can choose how the diagram opens when someone clicks your shared link. The options are Automatic, Open in New Window, and Open on this window. Select the one that best suits your sharing needs and how you want recipients to view the content. You also have the option to customize the border color if needed. This is a nice touch if you want to maintain brand consistency or make the diagram stand out in a particular way. Moving on, you can edit the appearance by choosing between Automatic, Light, and Dark. This controls the visual theme of the diagram when others view it, so pick the one that offers the best readability for your audience. There's also a checkbox for Light box. If you check this option, it will display the diagram in a focused overlay mode when opened, which can be helpful for presentations or detailed reviews. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click Create. The system will process your request and generate a shareable link. This may take a moment, so be patient while it prepares everything. Now it will show the link on your screen. Simply copy it and send it to the people you want to share the diagram with via email, chat, or any communication platform you prefer. They'll be able to access and interact with your diagram based on the permissions you set, and there you have it. You've successfully created a shareable link for your Draw.io diagram that works outside of Confluence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.